Well, hi, this is a quick tour of my top 5 games that are available in Superstar Online. Today we're looking at Cookie Sale from Games of Math 4. Let's click on the menu and we've got our Cookie Sale working with fractions. So let's click here and let's listen to the instructions.
Welcome to the cookie sale game. Get ready to make some yummy cookies and sell them for a profit. You will need to know how to compare and add fractions to buy your cooking ingredients for the best prices. If you need help with fractions, click on the Math Rules button. Click on Start to start cooking.
So if we click on the Math Rules button,
When comparing fractions, sometimes you can tell which one has the greatest value by visualizing them as pizzas. For instance, you can see that 1/2.
so that's a little thing about fractions and explaining fractions for us. We look here, we see we have our high scores. This would show the high score of anyone who's in this class. Our goal for this level is $8. Notice that we're on level 3. Our personal best is $5.20 that we achieved on level 2. And then we have nothing here in the 2 days best, I guess. If we click on the level button, we can see our progress through the program. And then we'll go back and now we'll click on Start and play the game. $8 we need.
You can only make sugar cookies right now, so you need to buy sugar and flour.
So if we look at the cookbook, we see that these are the ingredients that we need to make 12 cookies, and we have optional sprinkles. And then if we want to make other cookies, then we can do that, but we have to get up to these levels to make these other cookies. So let's close the book and let's buy some sugar. We will want the best deal for sugar. So let's try 4/5 cup. And we've got $3.10, so we're only spending 30 cents. Let's get a good amount of sugar. And then let's go here and let's try getting some flour. And so that should do well. And so we'll leave the store. And then let's click here and see how many cookies we can bake. And
Get ready to cook.
We're going to cook our cookies.
Undercooked.
Okay, so we missed the cookies just a little bit. We didn't get quite into the green area, but our cookies should be in pretty good shape. So let's try selling these cookies for 35 cents since we didn't do so well there, and they're a little bit underbaked, but let's see what happens. Click on Next Step. So we made 36 and sold 12, gained 4 customers, gained $4.20 in cash. And so let's click on Next Step, and we now have $6.60. So let's try one more time. So let's look at how much, look at our supplies. And so we have some supplies left, but not a lot. So let's close the book and let's buy some more supplies, looking for the best deal. So here is 3/3 of a cup. So we'll buy some sugar and let's get 5/5 of a cup for flour. And so we'll buy some flour. Let's buy a little more. So we'll make a lot of cookies, and we can see that we have other ingredients that we could buy, but we're not making any of those cookies yet. So we can click on Leave Store, and now let's make some cookies. We'll make 36 cookies. Click on Next
Get ready
Step.
to cook.
Let's see if we can get this right this time.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So let's take our cookies down to 30 cents. We can still make money at 30 cents. Click on Next Step. and see what happens. Okay, we're selling. We see that we're 1040, so we've met the goal. So we've met the goal for the day, and so our next thing is we can end the game or we can go to the next step. Let's go ahead and end the game so we can go up to the next level. Click on next.
Great job! You beat the level goal! Do you want to move up to the next level for this game?
So we do want to move up to the next level, and now our goal is $10. Let's go ahead and start.
Now you can make sugar cookies and oatmeal cookies.
Okay, so we have $5 that we're starting with, and let's see what the ingredients are for sugar cookies. We know that, and here's oatmeal cookies. So we have oatmeal, brown sugar, and butter. So let's cook there, and let's get some ingredients for sugar cookies. So we're looking at the fractions. So 2/6 and 2/3 are the same. So we can choose either one of these. And let's go over here and look at this. Now we have 3/5 and 1/4, 2/5. So let's go ahead and get some flour. And then let's go over here and oatmeal. Okay, so we want to look for the best deal at oatmeal, with oatmeal, and so we'll click here. And we got $3.50, and let's see which is the best deal here. So we don't have enough money for that. Let's look at our book. And so oatmeal, we need some butter and brown sugar. We need 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So let's cook that, and let's see if we can buy some brown sugar. We have $1.50 left. So hopefully we can have enough money to buy brown sugar. 5, 6. Okay. So now we're down to 60 cents. So let's leave the store and let's go over to sugar cookies. So we don't have enough ingredients for sugar cookies. We don't have enough ingredients for oatmeal cookies. So we made a mistake there. Well, anyhow, that's a little idea of the Games of Math 4, our cookie sale game. And you can see that takes a little critical thinking and strategy to be able to play this game. Probably what I would want to do is maybe I would make just sugar cookies the first day, build up my cash, and then maybe I would try oatmeal cookies on the second day, because we have 6 days to try to build the cookies and make the level goal.